Now it's been a while since we had a good look at our bean plant, but my goodness, they have put out a lot of feelers and have grown a long way up our bean pole. Absolutely fantastic. Just like we described, they are reaching out and spreading along. This is the one that we branched across just the other day. They have been voracious. This one's got quite tall without attaching itself to anything yet, but it's so close to the stick, I'm pretty sure it's going to put out a feeler soon, possibly from in here, and it'll soon find its way up our beanpole teepee. As we move up, you'll see more and more beans hanging everywhere. Fantastic. Now the rule with beans is once they've started growing, start picking them and eating them. There's no point leaving them on there. The more you pick, the more they'll grow new ones. Get a pair of scissors and just snip them above where these little leaves are. Do you leave them too long, they can get rather big and bulbous, and they may be a bit stringy and not so nice to eat. So try and get them while they're small and fresh. A bit more like this one over here, and less bulbous. Right, I'm going to pick all my beans and have them in a salad, or maybe steam them to have as a side with my dinner tonight. And pretty soon we'll have new beans growing on our plant. There's easily enough here for a meal today, of green and purple beans. Fantastic. That's the great thing about beans. This isn't a one-off harvest for the year. You can have them all through the year. And near the end of the year, we'll show you how you can harvest these beans as well, to store them for next year's planting, or to donate them to the seed library. And a few real tiddlers in here. New ones coming through, even though we have big ones ready to eat. We hope you enjoyed this gardening workshop. Please like, share and subscribe so you and others can join us on the next CNRL Library Innovation Studio online workshop. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all the usual places at Innovation Stew or hashtag Innovation Stew. And check the Home Workshops page on innovationstew.com.au for extra resources. See you next time and happy gardening.